Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to make a German sentence with accusative and dative nouns and pronouns. For example, there is a sentence, I am giving a pen to my uncle. So we can make this sentence in German like this: Ich gebe meinem Onkel einen Kuli. So the rule is, when we have to use accusative and dative noun in a sentence, then the sentence structure would be like this: subject plus verb plus dative noun, and the accusative noun will come to the end. If there is a sentence when accusative and dative noun has come, so we will make sentence like this: subject plus verb plus dative noun and then accusative noun. So I have given one more example. For there is a sentence, I am sending a letter to the teacher. So we will translate this sentence in German like this: Ich schicke dem Lehrer einen Brief. So in this sentence also, after subject we have put the dative noun at first, and the accusative noun will goes to the end. And now I am coming on the next case. If you want to make a sentence in which we have to use accusative and dative pronoun, in that case we will use accusative pronoun after the subject and dative pronoun will goes to the end. Uh, in this sentence formation, it is totally opposite from the first one that we have learnt in noun case. In pronoun case, the dative pronoun will come to the end, and if we have to use the noun, the dative pronoun will come after the verb. Okay, the sentence formation like this: subject plus verb plus accusative pronoun, and after that dative pronoun will come to the end. So you can see that sentence: Ich schicke der Lehrerin einen Brief. If we want to use a pronoun instead of der Lehrerin and einen Brief, we will make this sentence like this: Ich schicke ihn ihr. In is used for einen Brief and ihr is used for Lehrerin. So I am coming on the next sentence: Ich gebe meinem Onkel einen Brief. If we want to make this sentence using the pronouns instead of these nouns, we will make the sentence like this: Ich gebe ihn ihm. In this sentence also, the dative pronoun comes to the end. In is used for einen Kuli and ihm is used for uncle.